So, welcome to the episode 3 of the Grey Hat Hacker. Now, last video we already spoke about how exactly the network works, right? Like how it is, what it is. But this video we talk about what are exactly the network topologies, how the devices are connected with together. So we talk about the topology, that is the main concept, and there are different ways how you can exactly connect the different devices on a particular network. So let's dive in with the first one. Okay, so this is the bus topology. Now, what exactly happens over here? If you notice, there is a single line between right over here. So what happens over here? Each device is connected with that particular line. That is called as the bus topology. Now here, one single line is there. So even if, let's say, this particular system gets shut down, still the network keeps running. Even if the other one gets shut down, still the system keeps on running. So that is the advantage of this one. But the disadvantage is, if this thing goes down, the main line, then everything goes off. The server is off. The network gets break. Let's talk about the second one, that is the star topology. Now here in star topology, you will see there is a system in between and the other systems are connected to it on the side. So what happens over here, all these five systems that are outside are connected with the center one. So even if one particular one goes down, nothing happens. It still remains the same. But in case if the center one goes down, the complete system or the complete network goes down. So that is the advantage and disadvantage as well. Let's talk about the next one, that is the ring topology. Now, ring topology, you will see there is nothing in between, but there is no common ring also shared. But here you will see that each one is connected with each other like this, right? So everyone is connected. Now, here the biggest disadvantage is, let's say this particular system goes off. So now nothing can be transferred from here to here. So the complete network goes down. So that is the disadvantage of it. I'll also come by the end, like why exactly this many types are there. There is very important point at the end. So stick till the end. Then comes the mesh topology. Now mesh topology is very important. Here, even if all the system goes down, still the network keeps running. I mean, at least one should be on, obviously. So still the network keeps on running. The reason why this happened, because you will see each one is connected with each other. So they share a bond with each other. So since everyone is connected with everyone, there is no sign where exactly someone can break in and damage the network. But again, the cost is very high to maintain this because everyone is connected to everyone, right? Every other, I mean. Then comes the tree topology. Now, this one specifically is not mentioned everywhere. If you try to search on Google, also you will see the basic ones like the star, bus, ring, and the mesh topology. But this one is something different. That is called as the tree topology. You might have heard about the tree algorithm. If you haven't, then no issues. I'll explain you how exactly this tree is. So there will be a parent node in which you have different child nodes, and these are the subchilds or the children's. Okay. So in this, what happens? Let's say this children node goes down. So in that case, or this child node goes down. In that case, still the system keeps on running. But if the parent node goes down, means this one is parent for this child, right? So if that particular one goes down, 1 minute. Okay. So that particular one goes down, then there will be a problem. So that is the reason you need to make sure the parent node is safe. And if the top one goes down, the complete network goes down. There is nothing that will be running. Entire network will fail. So this is the tree topology. Now let's go to the hybrid one. Now hybrid one is very important and very vast. Here, whenever you connect more than two topologies, like here we have multiple topologies, right? So if you connect more than two topologies out of this, then it becomes the hybrid topology. Here you will see There is one topology right over here, and there is another one right over here. Now, this one, the first one, is basically, let me zoom out and show you properly, the star topology. And the second one is the ring topology. So this is basically a combination of star and ring. Now it's not important that you combine only star and ring then make this particular topology. You can combine any of them and you can have all of them as well. Just make sure they are connected to each other so it becomes hybrid topology. It's like a hybrid of multiple topologies. So these are all the topologies that are there in networking, and this is how the devices are connected with each other. And this is very important to know, so make sure you go through it once again. If you need anything, you can obviously let me know in the comment section. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you were able to get good information out of this. So do make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in some other video. Till then, bye bye.